Welcome back to AMC India. Today I am going to introduce you all to the world's smallest mobile oven, Navigenio. Let's get started. First, let us unbox our Navigenio. This is a Navigenio. It comes with a user manual. And a cable. This is Navigenio, world's smallest mobile oven. We can use this for cooking, baking, roasting, steaming, etc. And while using the Navigenio, the temperature is closely monitored throughout the cooking. When the Audiotherm is connected to Navigenio, they both communicate and regulate the power supply as we require. Now let me show you how this works. While using Navigenio as a hot plate, we place Navigenio like this and we place the unit on top of this. Here we have 6 heat levels, 0 to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not only the heat levels, we also have an automatic mode here where we can cook food automatically. And after the cooking is completed, the Audiotherm switches into 60 degrees function to keep the food warm for longer period. We can switch off the Navigenio by setting into level 0. We can also control cooking from anywhere with the smart Wi-Fi technology when paired up with Audiotherm and our Cook & Go app. We have to connect Navigenio with a cable. Navigenio comes with a cable like this. Here we have a connection. We have to place the plug here. We have to place this in an electric socket. On Navigenio, we can use all our AMC 20 cm pots and 24 cm pots. For baking and grilling, we have to use 24 cm pots. While baking, we have to place our unit in an inverted lid like this, and we have to place the Navigenio on top of the unit. Here we have 2 levels, level 1 and level 2. In level 1, we can bake cakes, biscuits, etc. In level 2, we can make grills, tikkas, tandooris, etc. We can switch off Navigenio by setting it into level 0. This is all about Navigenio. Thank you so much for watching, and for more interesting recipes and information, please keep watching AMC India YouTube channel. Thank you.